How long should I boil frozen chicken?
Hey there! Today, we're going to learn how long to boil frozen chicken to ensure it's cooked safely and deliciously.
Can I boil frozen chicken directly?
Yes, you can boil frozen chicken directly. It's a safe method to cook frozen chicken as long as you ensure the internal temperature reaches a safe level. It may take a bit longer to cook than thawed chicken, but it's still a convenient option.
How long should I boil frozen chicken?
To boil frozen chicken, you'll need to cook it for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. The exact time will depend on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. Remember that smaller pieces, like chicken breasts, will cook faster than larger pieces, like whole legs or thighs. It's crucial to make sure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, as this is the safe temperature for cooked chicken. Use a meat thermometer to check the temperature.
What's the process for boiling frozen chicken?
1. Fill a large pot with water. Make sure there's enough water to fully cover the chicken pieces. 2. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Place the pot on the stove and turn the heat to high. 3. Add the frozen chicken. Carefully place the frozen chicken pieces into the boiling water. 4. Boil the chicken. Lower the heat to maintain a steady boil and cook the chicken for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. 5. Check the internal temperature. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 6. Drain and serve. Once the chicken is cooked through, carefully remove it from the pot and drain any excess water. Serve and enjoy. Now you know how long to boil frozen chicken to make sure it's both safe and delicious. Remember to always check the internal temperature to ensure it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and adjust the cooking time based on the size and thickness of your chicken pieces. Happy cooking!